Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start the chapter division fluency. The lessons we're going to cover today are division facts up to 12, division facts up to 12 true or false, division facts up to 12 find the missing word, division sentences up to 12 true or false. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 3 math. Chapter we're on right now is division fluency. Let's just start with the lesson that is division facts up to 12. So let's just start with the first one that is 12 divided by 4. So you need to count the table of 4 until 12. 4 times what number is 12? 4 times 3 is 12, right? So that means 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Let's just start with the test questions. Divide 16 divided by 4. So you need to count the table of 4 until 16, right? So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times you need to count the table of 4 until 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So that means 16 divided by 4 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. That would be 4. Divide 20 divided by 5. Let's just count the table of 5 until 20. So 5 times what number is 20? Here we have 20 divided by 5. 5 times 4 is 20. The correct option is 5 times 4 is 20. So the correct option is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. 4 it is. Okay, 3 divided by 3, which is the correct option? Any number divided by itself always makes 1. So the correct option is option number 2. Fifteen divided by 3. So let's just divide it by the 3. 3 times what number is 15? That is 3 times 5 makes 15. So the correct option is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. That would be 5. 25 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? That would be 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten divided by 2, which is the correct option? Ten divided by 2 is 5 because 2 times 5 is 10. Four divided by 4, which is the correct option? That would be 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Six divided by 3, which is the correct option? That would be 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Option number 3 is the correct option. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 divided by 2 is very good. 3 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Division facts up to 12, true or false. Is the number sentence true or false? 30 divided by 3 is 10. So just divide and see if that is true or false. 30 divided by 3, right? How do we divide? Divide with the first digit. That would be 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. That would be 10. And 10 is equal to 10. So this, right? The correct option is true because both sides are exactly equal. So true it is. Let's just start with the rest questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 2 is 10. Just divide. 2 times 10 is 20. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 is equal to 10. So you can see both sides are exactly equal, right? So that means 20 divided by 2 is 10. That is true. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? Just divide 18 by 2. 2 times what number is 18? 2 times 9 is 18. 18 divided by 18 is 0. So 9 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option is true. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 30 divided by 3 is 10. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 is equal to 10. True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Let's just divide it by the 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That would be that would be true. 48 divided by 4 is 12 and 12 is equal to 12. So true it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 3 divided by 1 is 3. Is it true or false? True it is. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 divided by 1 is 9. So which is the correct option? True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. That would be true. Is the number sentence true or false? 12 divided by 3 equals 3. So which is the correct option? That would be false. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is division facts up to 10, true or division facts up to 12, find the missing number. Fill in the missing number. The missing number divided by 4 is 2. So we have to find the, so basically we are given the options, right? We can try them one by one. So that is 8 divided by 4 equals to 4 times 2 is 8. The missing number is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. What number divided by 5 is 5? Now you are given three of the options, right? You can try them one by one. So start with the first option. That is 25 divided by 5 equals 5. So yes, true it is, right? Because 25 divided by 5 is 5. The other way is opposite to multiplication is division. We have missing number divided by 5 is 5. Multiply this 5 other side. That would be 5 times 5 equals 25, right? These are the two ways to solve this question. The correct option is 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 20 divided by the missing number equals 5. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. The correct option is The correct option is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 4 divided by what number is 2? So which is the correct option? Very good. 4 divided by 2 is 2. The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 6 divided by what number equals 3? 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 6 divided by 2 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. The missing number divided by 4 equals 2. So what number it is? That would be 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Very good. Fill in the missing number. 4 divided by what number equals 1? That would be 4 divided by 4 is 1. Option number 1 is fill in the missing number. The missing number divided by 2 equals 3. So which is the correct option? That would be 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fill in the missing number. 16 divided by what number equals 4? That would be 16 divided by 4 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is division sentences up to. Division sentences up to 12, true or false. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the number sentence true or false? 9 divided by 1 is equals 12 divided by 2. So 9 divided by 1 is 9 and 12 divided by 2 is 2 times 6 is 12. So 6 it is. So 9 is not equal to 6. So that is false. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is false because both sides are not equal. So false it is. Is the number sentence true or false? 8 divided by 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 10 divided by 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So both sides are exactly equal. So that means true it is. That is option number 2. True it is. The correct option is true. Is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 4 equals 18 divided by 3. 4 times 5 is 20 and 3 times 6 is 18. So both sides are not equal, right? So that means false it is. The correct option is. False it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 27 divided by 3 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27 and 2 times 7 is 14. So 9 is not equal to 7. 9 is not equal to 7. So false it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is false. Is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 5 equals 7 divided by 1. So 5 times 4 is 20 and 1 divided by 7 is 7. 4 is not equal to 7. So 4 is not equal to 7. False it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 20 divided by 4 equals 8 divided by 2. 24 divided by 4 is 5 and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So false it is. 5 is not equal to 4. That is false. Option number 1 is the correct option. That would be false. Fill in the is the number sentence true or false? False it is. Very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? Very good. True it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Is the number sentence true or false? 10 divided by 1 equals 50 divided by 5. So which is the correct option? True it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is division. Lessons we have covered today are division facts up to 12, division facts up to 12 true or false, division facts up to 12 find the missing number, division sentences up to 12 true or false. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all of your questions and confusion if you have any. So, any questions you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. Have any questions? Okay, then that's